Hello from BH Telecom, Energy Scout Anida and team. We work on one simple question. How can we deliver TV video content with less energy? We saw that many set-top boxes stay active even when customers are not using them. This also keeps part of the network busier than necessary and increases electricity use, costs and CO2 emissions. Our solution was to move set-top boxes into standby after inactivity and to enable low-energy modes on supported network devices without reducing service quality. The project is already in implementation and the impact is strong. Around 1,500 megawatt-hours of electricity savings per year, about 800 tons of CO2 avoided, and nearly 150,000 euros in annual savings.
Small settings, big results. Thank you from BH Telecom.